How to customize keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. By default, when you open any keyboard, you can see the keyboard layout, keyboard style, font on your device. If you want to customize these keyboard settings, you need to open the app drawer on a Samsung device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to general management. Now tap the general management option. Here you can find the Samsung keyboard settings. So tap the Samsung keyboard setting. Here you can scroll down. Here you can find the style and layout setting for your device. For keyboard toolbar, tap on it. Here you can enable keyboard toolbar. So when you go back and tap on it, you can find the keyboard toolbar this on your device. If you want to hide it, just toggle off it. Again go back. Samsung keyboard setting. Now toggle on it. Tap on OK, and you can see remove the keyboard toolbar from your device. So quite easy. Then the next you can find the option like a high contrast keyboard. Here you can select the keyboard, toggle on it. Here you can see the keyboard color and letters. So you can see for different style high contrast keyboard, change the keyboard color or a light on a device. So select the option. Here we select this. If you don't want to use, just toggle of it to get back default keyboard. So we use this. Again go back. At the bottom you can find the theme. To use theme, make sure the turn off the dark mode on your device. Turn off high contrast keyboard to select a theme. So you need to first turn off the dark mode like this. Now you can access the feature on the device. Scroll down and you can find the theme option like this: solid light, dark, solid dark. So you can adjust the keyboard theme also. Again go back. Now first we set the dark mode again on my device. Now Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll down. Here you can set the mode for standard keyboard, one-handed keyboard, floating keyboard, as portrait view or landscape view you want to set. Here you can set a keyboard size and transparency like this. You can adjust the size or keyboard like this. Also use middle to move it like this on a screen. Just use this to move the screen of a keyboard. So quite helpful feature. You can easily size, adjust, increase or decrease the size and transparency. Also tap on reset to reset default. Now go back. Here you can find the layout, different button and symbol layout, number of keys, alternative characters, and different space bar. Here you can see by default show keyboard. If you turn off number key, you will hide the number key. So you can use this keyboard layout setting. Also font size, increase the font size of keyboard, medium and small. So you can increase or decrease the keyboard font size on your device. Custom symbol, here you can add the symbol you want to change from the available list on the device. So this is the all keyboard setting you need to apply on your device. That's it. Like it, share it.